Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see the problem related with soil mechanics in the topic of index properties. So the problem is a wet soil sample of mass 1.9 kg had a volume of 945 cm3. After oven drying, the mass was reduced to 1.7 kg. The specific gravity of solid was found to be 2.7. So determine the moisture content, that is W. So then bulk density is rho, then dry density rho D, then Y ratio E, then porosity N, then degree saturation S. So we have to find out all those things. So now the soil mass is weighing 1.9 kg. After that we can place it as a oven. So after oven drying it will be weighed as 1.7 kg. Okay, so now we can find out the water content using this relation. So now water content. So water content is the amount of water present in the soil mass, that is weight of water divided by weight of solids. Okay, so now the weight of water we can find out from, so the wet weight is 1.9 kg minus dry weight is 1.7 kg. So we can find out this relation. So after that the weight of solid is 1.7 kg. Okay, so now we got the value of 0.1176, that is equal to 11.76%. Okay, so this is the water content. So next thing is we can find out the bulk density. So the bulk density rho equal to wet weight by volume, that is mass by volume. So mass of 1, that is 1.9 kg mass 1. So here the 1.7 kg is mass 2. So now we can take the 1.9 kg divided by volume is 945 cm3. Okay, so here is the kg. So now we can take it as gram. So 10 power 3 gram. So now we got the value of 2.01 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so next thing is rho D, that is equal to 1.7 into 10 power 3 divided by 945. So that is, here is dry mass divided by volume. So now solving this we got the value of 1.79 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so next thing is we can find out the Y ratio. So Y ratio, we know the formula gamma D equal to G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. Okay, using this relation we can find out the porosity E value. So now we have to know the gamma D value, that is unit dry unit weight. Okay, so now we know dry density gamma D equal to 1.79 gram per centimeter cube. So now we can convert into gamma D, that is equal to 1.79 into 9.81. Okay, so now we can convert into kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, so now 17.65 kilonewton per meter cube is the gamma D. Okay, so now we can substitute 17.65 equal to G is given, that is 2.7 into gamma W value is constant 9.81 divided by 1 plus E. So here the only unknown is E. So now solving this we got the value of E equal to 0.501. Okay, so next thing is we have to find out the porosity. So the formula for porosity equal to N equal to E divided by 1 plus E. So now we've already found out the E value 0.501 divided by 1 plus 0.501. So now the N value porosity equal to 0.334, that is equal to 33.4%. Okay, so next thing is we can find out the degree of saturation. So degree of saturation formula E into S equal to W into G. So now we know E value is 0.501 and S value is we have to find out equal to W value is water content, we found out 11.76, so that is 0.1176 into G value is given, that is 2.7. Okay, so here the only unknown is S. So solving this we got the value of S equal to 63.4%, that is equal to 0.634. So that is equal to 63.4%. Okay, so this is a method we can solve the problem. Again we will see next video. Thank you.